How's it going? Adam Drake here, and today I have a couple new products from Mugen Seiki Racing for the MBX8R Nitro Buggy. So I have my MBX8R US Limited Edition here with this new option chassis and drive shaft already installed. So it is the plus 4mm chassis. Part number is E2436. And if you want to get the chassis with the drive shaft, it is E2436-1, and the drive shaft by itself, the 119mm drive shaft, is E2273. So you will need the drive shaft when using this chassis. The chassis is extended behind the engine, so you just need the longer center rear drive shaft. Everything in the front is the same. But if you do want to buy spares or option stuff, you can get the chassis by itself, drive shaft by itself. And again, this is an option for all the MBX8R Nitro buggies as well as the new US Limited Edition. So the US Limited Edition buggy comes with a standard link chassis. It is laser etched with US Limited. That comes in the US Limited kit. The plus 4mm chassis is also laser etched, and it will say plus 4mm here. So we've had some people ask if this comes in the US Limited Edition kit. It does not. It is an option. The reason for that was because these two projects weren't originally scheduled to be released at the same time. So we hadn't made the final determination if we were going to do the plus 4mm chassis when the US Limited Edition kit was already kind of putting all the pieces together. Obviously, the car kit is a much bigger project than just the chassis. And it's a tuning option. So on some tracks, you may prefer or use the standard chassis. For me, the plus 4mm chassis has been my go-to. I've actually been testing and using this for a little while, going back and forth, doing many different tests on different tracks and different conditions. And the longer chassis just makes the car a lot more stable. The off-power steering is a bit smoother. It's more stable, easier to kind of have consistent lap times. Sometimes it will actually feel like you maybe lack a little bit of corner speed, or like the car's a little bit kind of too numb or calm to drive. But a lot of times you'll be surprised because the lap times will still be as quick or quicker than the standard chassis. So for me, on the US style tracks, the plus 4mm chassis, I believe, is going to be the go-to in all conditions. But again, if you're on a really tight track and you need the car to be a little bit more aggressive, a little bit more off-power steering, you may want to use the standard link chassis. I've also got a number of messages wanting to know if there's going to be an electric version. At this point, there is no electric chassis. This is something that we're considering and most likely will end up doing in the future. It may take a little bit of time, but for now, we have it just for the Nitro buggy. And again, part number is E2436 and E2436-1 if you want to get it with the longer 119mm drive shaft. And just kind of, I guess, to run down some of the races, I think the first race I actually tested and kind of went back to back with this was at the Mugen Challenge at LCRC. Myself, as well as a couple of the other drivers, also used the chassis recently at the TNR A Main Challenge. Burak Killick, Frankie Contreras, and myself. Even more recent, myself, Frankie Contreras, and Travis Horn used it at the Dirt Nitro Challenge. I also used it at Silver State. So again, I've been really, really happy with the performance. Again, makes it just more calm, easy to drive, more plush feeling through the bumps, lands really nice. So this will be a really good option if you're looking to improve the handling on your MBX8R.